no water, there is no light.
JP's a production.
Hey, mama, hey, papa, where's that? I get you one body, you dey stay for Shogun. You get this more money, you come back go Ajegun. This is my body, you change them for me. Set my body, rearrange them for me. I don't know, mama.
People, we thank everybody for the time we be soon after they watch us on top television. The program now was soon. That means to say waiting they happen. Igbo man go say ogini neme, Hausa man go say miafaro, Yoruba man go say kilo de kilo shele. Waiting they happen now be say na general checking. For those of us who they drive car, when they drive motor, when they drive vehicle. Yes, as a driver, you supposed to get driver's license. Yes, as a driver, that your motor, that your car, that your vehicle, suppose get what they call vehicle particulars. Now they the insurance day, now they roadworthiness day, now do everything day. But when they check them, we don't say I'm saying some people now not get. Why some people don't they renew their own? Why some just renew their own? Why some still they expect their own? But when they check and they investigate, why be say some people say why they not get driver's license? It too there or now their particulars not correct? Wait,
Bring your paper, make it see.
Make I see am.
No, make it see am.
Make I see am. Maybe I the data, I beg. I the data, I beg.
No, bring am, make it see am.
I the data, I beg.
Leave am.
This one I waiting.
Okay. So you see the vehicle license now? You see am? December 2017, don't expire.
December no.
2017, don't expire.
Never expire.
Okay. You see the certificate of insurance. You see am? It don't expire. At least you go school now, abi?
Yes. Where the roadworthiness?
Okay. You see am?
Okay.
Certificate of roadworthiness wey VIO dey acknowledge.
When una dey acknowledge.
Okay, go. Thank God say you go.
But you don't ask am the driver's license.
You can go.
Thank you.
Show the driver's license.
Thank you, but how the compliance? People when I don't listen
no, so far so good. People are complying very well. Yes, so far so good. So at least I've been here. I've inspected about.
I know the English. Come back.
Okay. I don't inspect about 10 vehicles right now as I don't do here. So most of the vehicles they up to date. So their vehicle is roadworthy. So and I thank God this new innovative the state government is doing is good. So that it will make people to say, oh, these people they outside though, more we go renew our driver's license, renew our vehicle particulars and all. So it's a good one.
You mean say people they forget to renew their particulars or waiting on, and when government go come and say do one before they go come?
You know, as human being now, if they not see say government serious, they no go won't put their things in order.
What the fuck is to check them?
Many of them, yeah, of course.
I'm going to check them now.
You go and do that. Many of them are complying well.
The commercial bus drivers now not correct.
Yeah, me do.
Okay, come on for it. Merci. First of all, first show me the driver's license.
The driver's license.
This country now, wow. Hope not be Dagbo be this so.
That be Dagbo.
Which one be this one? Now the particulars of the bus be
no,
this.
to catch up.
The capture?
Yes.
What did they show me?
Now the driver's license, Federal Road Safety Commission.
Where your driver's license?
The original never come.
Okay, you don't go
I don't pay.
They never bring them.
They never bring the original.
Okay. Here is your particulars and your driver's license. Where is your particulars?
My driver's license is today, but my particulars.
It like say road safety.
My driver's license are with me. My particulars are not with me.
Not sure say na fake one. When I come up for road, I see your driver's license. What be your name?
Ibrahim Isi.
You don't cram am, abi? Now the original one be this. But the way your face be for here. Wait, may I check whether na fake one?
No, fake, not this one.
What of the papers of this bus?
Let me meet the driver and hand over, sir. I just say I use a certified delivery.
Say na hand over.
Not be to carry motor. This government need money. They hear me now. You carry motor, you get paper. Even for abroad America, you can't just be carrying motor like that. You must pay. for the license of the genuine documents of that vehicle. It's not it's a right something.
But why be say for this part of the country, we not the...
We not dey obey constitution. In the constitution, and you must obey it. It's not by exploiting people when they say you carry motor, you not get paper. It just be as I be now. I'm a journalist. You understand me now? I not get paper. Why you will look me? Am I not impersonating?
But the masses still they talk say make Edo State government make it buy more buses so that the masses go to see.
You go buy. You don't talk and say you buy. Now people should listen to television. I'm not a politician.
Where is the driver of this bus? Before this bus go travel, I want to see the particulars and the driver license of the driver. Okay, who be the driver now? You? Okay, not be joking matter. Oh. Okay, not be joking matter. This motor not go move. Oh. If I not see the particulars and the driver license, oh, the motor not go move. Oh. Where the driver? I want to see the driver. Okay, there. Area.
What's no?
Yeah, you dey load they go. Okoko.
No, they go Ologbo and bypass. Osaple Road.
Now you dey drive this Ford, Nabi?
Yes, na me at time. No, me get the motor.
Now you get am.
Na me get am.
Car owner.
In fact, more than the car now.
Show me your driver license and the particulars.
Okay.
Your particulars, the original one, oh.
This is my driving license.
How?
This one they give me so temporary.
Temporary.
It don't expire, so they can't go extend them till December. So I have to use and drive now till December 28. Anywhere to Nigeria.
To December, when it expire?
It don't expire on the 9th of August.
Yeah? That is 3 days ago now it expire.
So I don't go to New Amsterdam.
You go to the okay, show me your these particulars.
This one is vehicle particulars.
Well, show me roadworthiness.
Everything. The
Insurance.
certificate of roadworthiness. Insurance. Motor vehicle third party insurance.
Third party.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So show me your fire extinguisher.
Oreva.
You sure say they?
Come from there.
Fire extinguisher.
Everything there.
I better look at that.
I will check out whether the tire don't expire.
Somebody check out. Check out where not be so. They check out for good, yeah. Now for them they check out.
Okay,
Which are you guys? Try
I want to check your tire.
Check out.
This thing not gauge where. Where the expiry date here? But they don't talk and say make road safety not check tire this time around though.
Okay.
Say tire, but tire the expire.
Bros, I don't know.
Where you dey go? Where's your driver's license?
It's here.
Where's the particulars of this bus?
Everything.
No, show me your driver's license. Let me see.
Correct.
Quick. And they say 2K driver's license, now they get driver's license. Now already, huh?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Who give you this one?
Now internal revenue. Now there I go process. I follow all the procedures. Yes.
They give you all the roadworthiness.
Yes.
Okay. For how the work now?
Everywhere do okay, everywhere.
Where is your driver's license?
Everything do okay, everything do okay. Everything do okay. You are an amount of bill. Now do it for the interview. Thank you very much.
Make I see am now. Which one be everything do okay? Make I see your driver's license now.
Everything do okay, everything do okay.
No, I dey suspect you.
You know you do okay, everything.
Carry the call mobile court come and dey suspect you.
Everything do okay. Na man na bill. We let the government we call, so the government do okay. Then I say na my bill.
Show me your driver's license.
Everything do okay. Then I say 8 years. We go rule complete.
Show me your particulars.
Everything do okay. We don't already get everything for this side. Tell the governor say 8 years for now.
Show me your driver's license.
Everything do okay. Na my bill. ITV.
I be one row. I think now.
No problem. We no dey quarrel. You don't say for this country na God dey save person and na God dey drive.
No be lie.
Where your driver's license?
My driving license. It did.
Yes, yeah.
Corporate.
Because they say 2K now they get. Now different type of they see. Since when you get this driver's license? Since when?
See the date now.
Not be you get. I say since when you dey use am?
See the date. They do the date. Put now. Say not be me get. Not be me get. I'll show you.
But not be your name now. Your name na Sunday.
Sunday wagon look at there.
Okay. When it's supposed to expire?
All of
2018.
them.
Okay, what are the particulars of this bus?
He did.
Yes.
He did, yeah. He said they are. He did, yeah.
You sure say they here?
Oh, guy, did.
I don't want this stuff. Just show me the paper. Make I know.
Oh, guy, did. See all of them, yeah.
They don't first check it today at all.
They don't check me for Bekun.
For Bekun?
Yes.
Then they check me for that side.
They come.
How do you work today?
That's sir.
Where your driver license?
Everything dey there.
What should be everything there? Show me the particulars and the driver license of this bus. I be they thief the bus.
For where see particular everywhere, but in my driving license he lost, so I go so affidavit put.
Then they saw affidavits for driver's license
Yes, now where?
Say lost.
Say now, farmer.
Say boy, Frederick, na be your name.
Farmer.
Christian and citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria of number 19 Oka Market Road. Now you dey. Okay, say you lost your driver's license, Abi. Now court can't give you this one.
Now they give me this paper, so now they use a pass road.
So now this one you dey, now you dey use now.
Ah, you the pass road, oga.
Roadworthiness there, yeah?
Everything confirm.
Insurance there, yeah?
Everything confirmed there. I think see, they say bus driver no dey get.
No dey get.
We dey confirm.
But this your tire don't expire now. You don't see it.
Let's buy the motor when the tire go expire.
Hold on, sir. Okay, I don't check him. Are you sure? Okay, as the one, as that one don't check him, maybe check him. Okay, show us your driver's license. Wait, let my eye come. Your driver's license. Good citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You never expire, okay? But how you see this general checking for people? How you see?
It's very good. But everybody should keep to the laws of the land. Well, I believe say it dey good. Say everybody should follow wetin government say make we dey do. Because when we dey ask government to do something, make them fit do am. If we no dey obey, then things no go work out for all of us. And so miss am.
But you're all day up to date. What's the roadworthiness and everything?
I get am complete.
But see, they say you go wait till government say make you update them again before you go do it.
No.
I greet you.
Thank you.
Safe journey, no. My people need there for Bodo Nigeria. You watch us on top your television, top ITV. Also, no. Things they happen. The matter be say na general checking, no, for people when they drive motor, car or vehicle. Some people their driver's license don't expire. Why some people their driver's license never expire? How is the family? How's the work?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Where your driver license?
I get them.
Okay, show me, make I see your driver license and your particulars.
Okay.
Okay, roll this thing down well.
General, police say me I go. General say me I no go.
No, because the president, the police say make you go. I think say you go, they talk to them.
No. I get all the papers. If you want to see, General is suspecting me. See.
General checking.
See my driving license. See my vehicle,
roadworthiness and all of the insurance and all.
Insurance, everything, all.
This one wait for to start for you. When they tell you say go to the real one, go take up.
This is the real one.
Now you for to start like this.
Yes, now me for to start. The real one is at.
The original follow body. Oh.
I don't carry on. Now the original don't want.
But how you see this general checking?
It's good though. It's very good. Tell them to be doing it. Tuke driver does not. I hope they.
No.
This one.
No, I got to preaching English. No, I got to talk with them.
It's good now because now this one, those states they take get money for their revenue. So it's good. Anybody when get a motor, may they go with particulars. May get in all particulars.
You mean say you not go wait for your own to expire before you go?
God forbid. I they renew my vehicle license 2 months before it expired. 2 months. Before it expired, I renew my vehicle license.
I'm not sure say your tire don't expire.
Who tell you say my tire don't expire?
Oh why no?
Your don't expire.
Thank you very much.
Go put me for
No problem. Thank you very much. Okay, anywhere you there for Nigeria now, they watch us on top your television and was soon on top ITV. Oh, come. Yes, where your driver's license and particulars. Show me your driver's license and particulars. Where will they go?
Okay, we go bury ground.
Now they go burial.
Bury ground.
Prayer ground? Okay, prayer ground.
No, burial.
Burial? And I won't go bury person. Hope the person not there here. Where your driver license? Where your driver license? Show me your driver license. I know so with the original. Okay, what of the particulars of the motor? Wait, you don't understand. Wait, you they beg. And they ask you where the driver license and where the particulars. Show me finish. Show me till you can go. Mia Faro. Just bring them. Open them. Not be the particulars be this.
The particulars.
The particulars of the car. It don't expire.
No, it don't expire.
Where your driver license?
Driver say this side.
Now you be this. Now you be this.
Yes.
What be your name? This na Atiku there. Atiku Kabiru.
Yes.
Who is Atiku Kabiru? This is happen for this country. So no driver license and now photos that. Okay, no problem. They not check there. They not see all these horses. Okay. Now what?
Driver license.
So what's your driver's license?
My driver license and my ability to drive.
Okay, give me your driver's license.
Driver license.
Show me your driver's license.
Na paper. My driver license and my ability to drive.
Okay, you not get driver's license.
Driver license. Na my ability to drive where?
Okay, you don't get driver's license.
My ability to drive.
This country now, wow. Now what collect ATM?
We dey wait for motor.
The motor they look for?
Yes, we dey wait for motor.
Where you dey go?
Egon.
Don't general. I agree to you. Everybody that go, they go.
Yes.
Barak. So now, like how many minutes now don't they here now? But I want beg Edo State governor. I want beg Edo State governor, His Excellency, the executive governor of Edo State. Oh my governor, you should be ready to lay good foundation. Earlier the better. Since 1999, since democracy come, the first year since 1999, we get our former governor Chief Oyegun. When Oyegun come, he carry all those kind trailer will be like Molue. Come where people take the waka from area to area. That one come out, they will come get Chief Lucky Benedia. When Chief Lucky Benedia come, he release red bus. People they enter. That one come out, they will come get our former governor, His Excellency, Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole. That one come out with green bus. No say Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Now blue bus you go carry come out now. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of them. You don't knock am? Correct guy. Say one knocker for Instagram. Correct babe. They go. Something dey happen. Okay, you see this general checking where they check people motor particulars and driver license.
It makes sense so. Welcome development, because if you see a lot of vehicles when they deny government of their right, as in tax payment and other incentive when it's supposed to enter government treasury, they know they do am. This checking makes sense. If they fit continue like me, I go like am.
You get car?
I get.
You dey drive?
Well.
You get driver license?
I get to. Why I don't go get? If I don't get driver license, I'm say I don't be patriotic Nigerian.
You don't say don't expire?
No, it dey valid.
You know the support say na fake one?
It still remains 2 years, eh?
Fake?
No, they're not from road safety office, neither for issue.
But you know say many fake driver license dey o.
Yeah, that one na sure. Fake, no, as this our country be.
So you dey support wetin government dey do?
Government dey.
Hey, Oga. How you dey? How today? How the family?
No wahala.
Show me your particulars and your driver's license.
Okay, now you what?
Now I want check. Sharp. Your particulars. Now give me the one where they expire. Oh.
If you expire, they're not going to renew.
You supposed to go renew before today now.
Before today?
Yes.
What of una not they believe say if we do driver license, say una go bring am for that time when I talk. I made days now they don't extend this one. Now they take all the waka for office. They don't let say where they work.
How? Show me your particulars.
I want to show you so.
Which kind of motor they record this your car set now? So I'll be like, what's no?
See driver license.
Driver license. But the photo start now paper. This time be na paper you dey give me so.
They tell you now. No see how many times they don't expire that now. See 1, 2, 3.
Now 3 times it don't expire.
Now they tell you now. Okay, see the particular.
This na. Nissan Trade. That be the name of this motor. Nissan Trade. No, I never heard that kind of motor name before. Which should be Nissan Trade. Check the number, Ben 981. Let me check the number. Day. General Motor. Where roadworthiness you go? But can be your name there now?
Na my driver license be that?
No, this is not Gideon the Saturday.
Yes, that's the owner of the motor.
Okay. What be your name?
Sunday Akinwele.
Okay, may I see your driver license? Whether your name there?
I gave you before.
No, you not give me. You don't take her back. Come.
I don't pay 3 months ago.
You paid for driver license?
Yes.
3 months ago?
Yes. They give me this one. Say, make I go there use this one before this on the 2nd of
this month. So.
This month. I reached there and they say I can't go pay another money before they will still give me another receipt of this one again. Okay. For road safety office. Where are you from?
How are you? Sir, my fan. Say Wasunu.
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 What? Rush hour, everything. Okay, where's your driver license?
My driver license is intact.
Okay, yeah, no, you cannot
tell me.
You don't fit just
with me.
Okay, show me your particulars.
It is inside. Everything is intact.
People see am.
No shaking.
Okay.
Everything is intact.
I don't 2 years and see so.
See am o.
Driver license so not be the one wey don expire o.
What are you talking? You look like somebody who will be.
But for this country, some people they ride big car, no driver license, no particulars.
Oh boy, my own deal.
Make I see am. When you know say we want check una today, you will go hide them again. Show me your driver license and your particulars.
Rush hour.
That's Sunu.
And the Sunu so.
Rush hour. Rush hour.
Huh?
Wait to.
Your particulars and your driver's license oh. This country now what?
Rush hour.
Huh?
See her. You see my way to. The driver's license supposed to be here. Oh.
Wait to. Come with the search inside. Come look at like the search inside down there. Look at the search inside.
No. Why you come?
So with the look where they make help you look for them. Now the driver license and the particulars of this
now Batty are doing that stuff for you.
No,
where you come to focus your camera on me.
Sorry. Let's say you forget them.
Oh boy. Rush hour. The truth of the matter, I don't know where they now.
This country now what? Okay, my people, anywhere you there for Nigeria, they watch Wasunu on top your television. Now for Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria. What did they happen now? General checking for those of us who get motor, who get vehicle, who get car. Some people did their driver license correct, some not correct. Some people did their particulars of their vehicle, motor or car correct. Why some not there up to date? But as I talk to you now, I deal with the Oga, where they in charge of Edo State, the sector commander, Oga S.O. Olukoya. In there with me now, in not sit down for office today, in the patrol everywhere to monitor, to make sure say people, make sure say they get up to date driver license and particulars. Oga, are you there?
I dey well, I dey for road, I dey gidigba. You don't see me?
I don't see you now.
I know they inside AC again.
I think say I go see you for inside AC. I say you come out today.
I go make I see what my people they do for road now.
Oga, what did they happen today?
They do my better. The two of them happen they don't know see am now. Now be today sir, we don't announce am for radio. Because they say people they ask questions say you get the motor, you get which kind of motor you get? Na trailer new, na car new, na motorcycle new, and na commercial or private. The question they come and say, did you get your driver license? Did you get your particulars? All of them they ready. If they're not ready, make you run quickly. Like a mad person to internal board revenue, go get everything because as from today we be 14. The internal board Edo State Internal Revenue Service with road safety, ESMA, VIO and police say they wanted to be checking on the road. Any motorway say you don't get a driver license, you don't get a vehicle paper, you don't get insurance. you no get acting permit, we catch am, carry am go mobile court. If the mobile court they say okay, make you go through 3 months for Oko.
Okay, I thank God say I see you today. Many questions there where be say the masses want make you answer. Okay, from time to time, we dey discover say many people wey get driver's license. When your people go hold them, they go say na fake, and they say na your office that they come they get that driver's license. How we tell them no say this fake? But you don't hear this kind of story before.
Make I tell you something. Say the last way me I dey do for road safety, whether they do for internal border revenue, where my power dey there. Na correct one, na genuine one. It's just like if you see somebody who no get a fake naira now, will you go and meet the central bank?
If somebody I see fake money for person,
you go say na central bank na pay down.
But now let's central bank no fit print money now.
You cannot print fake. Answer that question.
But okay, you agree say fake driver's license dey?
You are telling me now. You are telling me. I didn't get me now. I dey hear.
You just say yeah?
And you are telling me now, I dey hear, I didn't get me now. But the one where they produce, when they produce for all my center where they here, like 3 center where they for this Benin, now correct.
How this driver's license matter supposed to be?
As how?
How? If I want get them, where I supposed to go to get the original one? I don't say to the office or where I go on Abuja I go.
If you want to get driver license, you go to our office.
Original one, no?
Like now, if you want to get the original one now, what I will just tell you, say, when you are ready, go to my office and call me there. So that the organ where they go no say yes. Nobody can do my go because some of you, when you want to do that license, you don't go enter that office. They just say somebody will say, what do you want? They call them tout. Now license you want? 3,000 they go do them now. You just give that person money. And that person now give you anybody will say you want carry license, you say bring passport. And bring money for a hand like this. Now fake it go give you.
Okay, how many, if I want to get my driver license now, like how many weeks or months? Because some people say they don't never come out, they see they look for them.
You know when let me just tell you, you talk now, it's sweet too. My one I was just telling you, if you want to driver license, even a renewal or new one.
New one.
Even a new one you want to get, you will go driving school. That driving school now, until when you pass there, at least it's 26 days. Now you go spend. But the way you don't go for driving school 26 days, you don't go get them. Because some people now when I say they go, they say, yeah, me I sabi drive. I don't drive. I go driving school again. They go and fall for those people, they give them a fake license. They don't know. Now we don't say it's fake.
Okay, I will tell they know the fake.
Now I just tell them number. Now one number will just die now.
I get one number. They say 38511, something like that.
Number 5. It's 33811.
Okay, 33811.
If you like, you doesn't day for my
driver license with this.
My own. I know you know my own day office now.
Okay.
I know they call me. Like this one way there now. If you want to know, you should just carry your phone. Carry your phone. You go to your what you call it, carry your message, and I just put them say NDL status. Come put the number where they here. See the number. The number where they here. I'll just put the number now where they here now.
After that, right.